In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived messages section on LinkedIn. If your LinkedIn inbox feels crowded, archiving is a simple way to tuck conversations out of sight without deleting them. Archived threads stay accessible whenever you need them, and finding that dedicated section only takes a moment. Here's a clear, no-frills path to get there. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a quick starting point, especially if you don't have LinkedIn bookmarked. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press enter. Look for the official result that points to linkedin.com, then click through to open the site. Once the page loads, you'll be on LinkedIn's familiar interface with the main navigation running across the top. Next, open your messages. On desktop, the messaging option appears in the top navigation as a word or a chat bubble icon. Click it to open your full conversation panel. This view shows your message list on the left and the selected conversation on the right, with tools and filters near the top of the list. At the top of the message list, find the filter drop-down. It typically displays labels like All Conversations, Unread, or similar wording, and it sits above your messages. Click this drop-down to reveal additional views. Among the options, look for Archived. Selecting Archived instantly switches the list so you're only seeing conversations you previously moved out of your main inbox. You'll know you're in the right place when the conversation list changes and the filter label confirms the archived view. From here, you can scroll through older threads, open any conversation to review details, and keep your main inbox focused. Archived conversations are not deleted. They remain fully intact, including attachments and timestamps, and they stay searchable. Using the search bar at the top of messaging will still surface archived results when the terms match. If the filter menu looks compressed or you don't immediately see archived, try expanding the window or hovering to reveal the full list. The placement can vary slightly with screen size or recent interface updates, but the archived option lives in the same drop-down that controls your conversation views. That's all it takes. Use Google to reach LinkedIn, open messaging from the top navigation, click the filter drop-down, and choose Archived. With this quick routine, you can keep your inbox tidy while preserving every conversation for later reference. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized LinkedIn messaging experience.